Hi everyone, welcome back to Surakshyaan. Today we are discussing cybersecurity approaches. So as an industry, there are multiple approaches and procedures that have been created to help build a more cyber resilient system. One of these approaches is AAA. AAA stands for Authentication, Authorization and Accounting. So AAA basically defines how a user's interaction should be managed or processed around an asset. For example, if you try to access some data from a remote database, you would first need to authenticate yourself. Authenticating yourself basically means you are proving your identity to that particular web application. Okay? Once you have proven your identity, then comes authorization. Now, depending upon who you are as a user and what is your role in the website, you would have some set of permissions, right? So you should only be allowed to do what you are supposed to do and nothing more than that. For example, as a normal user, you should not be able to view some data which is specific to admin users only. That is authorization. And accounting basically refers to keeping a log of whatever interaction you had with the asset as a user, so that in case some cyber incident happens, it is easier for the organization to trace back where the anomaly happened or which user account was abused.